This is a faith class about why Orthodox Christians light candles in church. How lucky of a teacher am I? Yes? Sure. Lucia, what do you know about lighting candles in church?
That when people are standing, it's not a good time to light.
Okay. Why do we light candles?
Because we're sending our prayers up to heaven.
Yes. How should we prepare ourselves before we light a candle or ask God to help us?
Thank God.
First, right?
Yeah.
For everything, right? Just the good?
And the bad.
Why the bad, Lucia?
Because you want to thank Him for putting you in that situation and teaching you a new lesson.
And what does it make you in the end?
Happy.
And what? Stronger?
Yeah.
Because God knows what's best for us, right, love?
Yep.
Okay, nice job. Hi, Emily. Hello, Ladrin. Hi, John, Taylor, Alex.